On this diagram, as you can see here, we are distributing the responsibilities. Okay, so you have like here the responsibilities that are on the left between three categories. So the first category is responsibility always held by the customer. Then second type, responsibility is solely of Microsoft. And third type, which is in between, responsibility is held by both. So it's called shared responsibility. Now, this distribution of responsibilities varies depending on what kind of deployment you're using, what kind of cloud services you are using. So are you using a SaaS? So you will have, you see the squares in blue and green, different if you are using a platform as a service, PaaS. Different if you are using infrastructure as a service, IaaS. And different if you deploy everything on-premise. Okay? Now, I'm gonna help you understand this diagram and help you like kind of memorize it, because you won't be able to memorize it unless you understand it. The first thing you need to look at is that on-premise, which is on the left, on the right, on the most right, everything is responsibility of the customer. Every square is blue. So blue means responsibility of customer if you look at the legend. Now, so this is on-premise. So what does this mean? This means that if you are deploying on your like in your data center, that makes sense that you are responsible of everything. Now, moving to the left, if you see, for example, when we move from infrastructure as a service to platform as a service to software as a service, the responsibility of Microsoft will increase. And you can see this by seeing that the green rectangle number increases if you move from the right to the left. The green rectangle will increase. This means that Microsoft will be more responsible of things if you are using software as a service. But it will be the responsibility of the customer if you are using infrastructure as a service on most of the items. So as you see, infrastructure as a service has most of these squares as blue, which means this is the responsibility of the customer. So next we are going to discuss each responsibility and understand why is it green and why is it blue and why sometimes it is green and blue at the same time. So keep on and we'll dive deeper into this.